Hello guys, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. In today's video, we will be checking out the assets one after the other and see how we can make up to $200 today. Okay, so this is very important. Just like you guys have known, we always do this once in a week, and of course just for you to see how I analyze whenever I am using my trading tools, so that you too can also follow up with this. And I notice that whenever we do it this way, then I usually have more positive results from you guys. In short, most of you guys usually make more than $200 on that very day, and we're going to be doing that again today. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and make sure you understand every part of the opportunities shared in my videos. Do your own personal research about it to know how it works and how you can put it into use in order for you to make more profits with it. Okay, for you to do that, that means you need to practice well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. Okay, so this is very important. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay guys, this is 3M trend milker trading indicator. In order for us to get real-time trading opportunity, we need to bring this down to 5-minute time frame. And of course, with the trading tool, it is very easy for us to analyze. We don't need to be moving from uptrend to downtrend before we are able to analyze. We can easily see the trend of the market just by looking at the chart. This is boom 1000 5-minute time frame. Okay, so with this charts, what we have right here is that the market had been on downtrend for long. All through the night it had been on downtrend. You can see the selling and selling. There are pullbacks in between, but after the pullback we always have an opportunity to sell more. Okay, you can see it right here. So this is still selling at the moment, and of course it will be trying out this support zone again. Okay, but if it's unable to break out from this support zone, right from there it will start an uptrend again, and of course will be targeting this place as the first TP, and of course after that this should be the next one. And if it breaks out above this, then we should know that it should get to this region. Okay, that is if it does not break out below this support zone as it is going. If it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling until it gets to the next support zone. But if it does not, all this will happen. And if it breaks out above this resistance zone, then definitely we should be looking at somewhere here as the next TP for a buy order. Okay, so hope we have taken note of that. Don't worry, I'll try as much as possible to upload this quickly so that you guys can also benefit from this analysis. Okay, so this is very important. If you should notice, boom 500 was on downtrend at the in the night, and of course all through the night also it got to this support zone and went back up till it got to this resistance zone. Okay, it has gotten there once, had a pullback, and it's trying it out again, just like we had in boom 1000, but just that this is taking the opposite direction. So this will be trying this again, and of course if it's unable to break out from the resistance zone, it will also start a downtrend. But once it breaks out from here, it will be targeting the next resistance zone, and we're going to see it after it breaks out from here. So we might be checking out the 15-minute or 30-minute time frame for that. But if it does not break out from this resistance zone, then it will start a downtrend, which we should be targeting this as our first TP, and of course the next TP will be somewhere here. Okay, and of course if it breaks out below that, then definitely it should get here. So all these are very important. Okay, so we should look out for all these in order for us to milk the market successfully. But first of all, make sure you get the right signals, the trend signals signals, the other signals, so that you can be assured that this is going in your direction. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check out crash 1000. Crash 1000 was on downtrend, got to this support zone, was unable to go below that, so it started the buy trend, got to this resistance zone, pull back, go back there again, pull back, and of course go there again. If you should notice, it has been maintaining this trend position. Okay, that is what it has been maintaining. Each time it gets there, it is always having a pullback, so you should take note of that. Okay, it's trying to break out above it, but it has not been able to break out above it, so it is going up again, and right here should be the next TP. If it breaks out above it, then definitely it's going to buy more, and of course you should be expecting it to get to this region. Okay, but if it breaks out above that, okay, it should get to this region also. But if it does not break out above this, then definitely it will crash down till this level, and if it breaks out below this, then definitely it will definitely get here. So we should take note of all that. This is a bit complicated because of the way the market is moving, is not moving in a smooth direction, and this trend area has not been able, to break out from there. It has not been able to break out from this particular trend line, and which is the resistance zone also. So if it breaks out above it, then definitely we're going to see more buying opportunity right from there. So now let's check out the last asset, which is going to be crash 500. Okay, so let's check it out right away. This is crash 500, just the way we have seen it. The red flag, we had more red flag earlier, and of course that shows that the market had been on downtrend for a very long time, but got to this support zone, was unable to break out below it, and it started an uptrend right from there. So it is still on uptrend at the moment, and of course we expect it to get to this region once it's continued with the trend, and of course if it breaks out above that, then definitely it should get to somewhere here. Okay, so we should take note of that, and if it breaks out above it, then definitely it will be targeting the resistance zone at the top. Okay, it might not be very smooth, it might not be very easy, but it will definitely get there. Okay, so that is very, very important, so you can take note of all these so that you can milk the market successfully. But there is one thing you should also take note of. Here is a strong support. Okay, you can see here, and also another meeting point here. If it breaks out below this, then definitely it will sell more. Okay, so you should take note of that also. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and of course if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.